Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Chrome if it won't open on your Windows 11 device. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, just go ahead to locate the Google Chrome app. Okay, and here go to search bar and type in Chrome, like so. Right click on it. Now go ahead and click on Open File Location. Okay, and here Google Chrome will be highlighted. Just go ahead and right click on it and hit on again, Open File Location. Open. Now in here we have the Chrome application. So what we're going to do here is just right click on it. Once done, just hit on rename. Okay. If you got a pop-up, just click on yes. Now in here, just put a number. Okay. It could be 1 to 9, for example, 9 right here. And just click away. Once done, click on it once more. Right click. Now go ahead and click on show more or show more options. Send to your desktop. Now we have it. Close this one. Just double click on it. And once done, you should be good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.